we're going to learn how to balance the chemical equation for the reaction between silver nitrate and copper. Let's start by writing down the unbalanced equation. We have silver nitrate, AgNO3, plus copper, Cu, yielding copper nitrate, CuNO32, and silver, Ag. Now, let's count the number of atoms for each element on both sides of the equation. On the reactant side, we have one silver atom, one nitrogen atom, three oxygen atoms, and one copper atom. On the product side, we have one silver atom, two nitrogen atoms, six oxygen atoms, and one copper atom. To balance the equation, we need to make sure the number of atoms for each element is the same on both sides. Let's start with the nitrate groups. We have two NO3 groups on the product side, but only one on the reactant side. So we'll multiply AgNO3 by 2 on the reactant side. Let's update our atom counts. On the reactant side, we now have two silver atoms, two nitrogen atoms, six oxygen atoms, and one copper atom. The product side remains unchanged. Now we need to balance the silver atoms. We have two silver atoms on the reactant side, but only one on the product side. So we'll multiply Ag by 2 on the product side. Let's verify that our equation is now balanced. On both sides, we have two silver atoms, two nitrogen atoms, six oxygen atoms, and one copper atom. The equation is balanced. And there you have it. We've successfully balanced the chemical equation for the reaction between silver nitrate and copper. The final balanced equation is 2AgNO3 plus Cu yields Cu and O32 plus 2Ag. Remember, balancing chemical equations is crucial in chemistry as it ensures that mass is conserved in chemical reactions. The number of atoms of each element must be the same on both sides of the equation. This skill will be essential as you progress in your chemistry studies.